The folks who have come over and have seen it have just loved it. I mean, it was just unbelievable. I don't think anyone could really compare. Every person who stepped foot onto this project was very professional, timely, attention to detail. I mean, it was just unbelievable. I don't think anyone could really compare.
It was great. It was really good.
I mean, I don't have one negative thing to say. All positive, all just, you know, an absolutely 10. So I would choose them. And John was the best.
Yeah.
We had four bids, and he was the only one that gave us a computerized formal presentation. And that is really what clinched our decision, because we were able to see in color what it was going to look like. John was the best through the very first time we met him to the actual last day that the project was finished.
The process of the project is getting to communicate with them and to listen to what they're after, and then watch it come together piece by piece. And one of my favorite questions to ask them is, are you excited?
He was attentive, he was informative, he kept you in the loop no matter what was going on. He was what every contractor should be.